Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a chemical reaction with vinegar and sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So the materials you need is an empty bottle, a spoon, a paper funnel you can make, a balloon, and sodium bicarbonate and vinegar. So let's get right into it and let's start doing this. So the first step is taking this funnel and keeping it near the opening, like in the mouth of the balloon, and let's just add some sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So I'm probably done. Yeah, now that's done. So let's move it to this side. So I'm just gonna twist it here and keep it safe here. So next is pouring this vinegar to this bottle. So yeah. Which should be enough? Yes. Yes. Now that'll be enough. So after that, now let's mix it. So I can't just do it right now, so you can't see it properly. So I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer. So yeah, let's do it. So now I'm gonna start mixing this. So I have this. So I'm gonna mix it. Just a little bit more. So yeah. This will be enough. So you can see. Let's see the reaction. The balloon. So now I'm going to explain how it works. So sodium bicarbonate or baking soda and vinegar with acetic acid, when this reaction and the reaction between these two produces water and sodium acetate and CO2 gas. So this balloon, you can see I wrote CO2 here. is filled with CO2 gas. CO2 gas is nearly like denser than air, like oxygen and nitrogen. So when I put it up in the air, like when I move it up in the air, it falls faster. So yeah, it falls faster. So I can compare it with a normal balloon. Here, this is a normal balloon and filled with air. So I'm gonna move it up. You can see, this balloon is falling faster. I'll show you, like I'm gonna take another video right now. I'll show you that. And the reaction happening here is endothermic. So all the energy is absorbed and is actually cooled here. You can't feel it. You can feel it if you touch it here. So now I'm going to show you this comparison. So this is the CO2, like the balloon filled with CO2, and this is the normal air. So I'm going to drop it together from east and high. So this will be enough. So I'm going to drop it. You can see the CO2 bounce and reach the ground. First I'm going to do it like 2 more times. I'll show you. So yeah. You could see that CO2 is always dropping on the ground first, because CO2 is obviously heavier than the air, like nitrogen and oxygen. So the atmosphere is mostly made of nitrogen and oxygen. Yeah. So I'm going to do it again on last try. One more up. So we officially saw that CO2 drops first and hits the ground first, because it's heavier than other gases near the, like most of the other gases in the atmosphere. So if you guys like this video, you can subscribe and leave a like down below. So see you guys in the next video.